Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. Ayan. So this is our item for today. Ito yung ita-transform natin for today. So ang gagawin natin is yung mga nauuso ngayon na two-piece jacket na crop top and then mini skirt. Okay, so the first step is I'm marking the length of my top. Okay, I like this one to be super cropped, so I'm marking just below my bust. Once you're done, then you can cut it into two. Now we have our two separate pieces, the top and the skirt. As you can see, I turned it over so that the hem of the jacket will be the waistband of our skirt. So we're gonna try it on. Oh, wow. Ito, hindi ko na to siya i-hem. I-fray ko to later. The skirt, we'll try our best to make this a skirt. So I'm just gonna figure out how. So this part is totally up to you. You can experiment with whatever skirt look that you like. You can do like this with a slit or overlapping like this. Okay guys, so this is the final design. Ayan. Asymmetrical siya. And I'm just gonna figure out kung paano ko ito lalagyan ng botones. Para, ito, lalagyan ko siya ng botones para papasok siya dito. Parang wrap skirt lang siya. Pwede ko siya tanggalin like this. Mark muna natin. So since I can't find a button, we will improvise using this coin and extra denim fabric I have lying around. So basically, we're just gonna make a fake denim button. Hopefully it will match everything. Next step is we're going to cut a slit right here. And then get our improvised denim button and insert our improvised button. You can make the slit a little bit bigger depending on the size of the coin that you're using. So here's how it's gonna look like after. For this part, you have two options. You can sew it or just use fabric glue. If you're lazy, just use fabric glue. It will just give you the same result. Don't forget to trim the extra fabric before you glue it. Once the glue is dried, it will look like this. Ta-da! So yan, mag-shorts na lang tayo sa loob kasi medyo maiksi siya. Pwede ko rin siyang i-sukbit dito.